Hi, you feather merchants. This video is about drugs coming into prison, particularly Pelican Bay when I was working in Pelican Bay. And this, and like contact visits, any prison you have contact visits, drugs flow into that prison. It's so easy to get drugs into those prisons. And anyway, I'm going to share two stories with you about Pelican Bay. There was this one, we intercepted a couple of phone conversations and coded correspondence talking about bringing something into this inmate in Pelican Bay through visiting. And what I did is, once we determined that the lady was going to show up with the drugs, I wrote a search warrant and waited for her. And once she signed in, we served the warrant on her. And it was for a body cavity search to be done by a doctor. So we had to take her to Sutter Coast. And what happens is, in Pelican Bay, we would have visiting on Saturday and Sunday. So I was taking a chance, trying to figure out which day she's going to bring the drugs in, because she didn't say I'm coming in Saturday or Sunday with the drugs. She's just coming there for the weekend. So I thought, well, more than likely she's going to bring them in on a Saturday, and then Sunday she could relax and then enjoy her visit. So I served the warrant on Saturday morning when she showed up. After I took her to, or we took her to Sutter Coast, they did the body cavity search, but there was no drugs there. What she did have a cigarette lighter in her vagina, and when she came out of the examining room, she said, "Hey," she apologized. She said, "I just put it up there. I forgot about it." And I told her, I said, "Hey, that's something that happens all the time. A lot of women do that," and I never heard of it before, but I told her anyway. So what we did, we went back to the judge right away, and he allowed us to search her motel room, and that's where we found the drugs that she was had packaged up, and she was planning on bringing those in on Sunday. And it was funny because she was going to bring them in condoms, and this is the first time I ever saw a condom this big. It was like, must have been a XX large. I mean, it was nothing that I would go to the pharmacy to get, because it would fall off of me, that's for sure. Anyway, it was fun. Anyway, she got arrested for possession of the drugs, and of course, I think he was doing life without. I don't remember what they did with him. And another case comes to mind. We listened to some phone conversations of a father telling his kid, who was in general population, that he's going to bring in some marijuana for him. And he was specific on when he was going to bring it in. So we wrote a warrant, and we waited for him, and sure enough, he showed up. We let him sign in to visiting, and then I asked him I wanted to speak to him in the office, and we had the district attorney sitting there listening to this, and I told the guy, I said, look, I said, we already know what you're carrying, And I told him specifically, I said, what you have on you and where it's located. And I said, you can either give it to us right now, or we'll take you to the doctor and let him find it. But it'd be better if you gave it to us. He said, yeah, okay. And so he took his pants off and he gave us the drugs he had. And then I told him, I said, I need the keys to your vehicle. And he said, I don't want you to search my vehicle. And then I showed him on the search warrant where that wasn't really an option because it said that his vehicle could be searched. So we searched his vehicle, and in the trunk of his vehicle, we found more drugs. I think it was, I can't remember exactly what it was. I remember marijuana for sure. It seems like there was something else there. But he also had a loaded handgun in the trunk of his vehicle, right in the same bag as the drugs. So he went to court, and since he had never been in trouble before, he just did county time. And of course, his kid got more time on his sentence. So those are two cases that come to mind. There's so many others. Like I said, the drugs flowed into that prison, and contact visiting was one of the biggest ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple other videos about how they use the mail, and I'll give you some cases of what we discovered in the mail and how they would use disguised legal mail. And anyway, I don't want to make too long of a video, and so I'm going to sign off, and you feather merchants have a good day. All right, bye.